guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a gift exchange purchase. When I film this, it is way before December 25th, but me, my family, and my boyfriend and my sister's husband and boyfriend have decided on doing a gift exchange all together. I did get my one sister as the person I'm going to be purchasing the gift for, so I'm going to show you guys what she wanted and what I am going to be getting her. I'll also show you what I bought for my boyfriend. His gift is not a part of the exchange, but I am also getting him a gift. So I'm going to do a quick screen recording with a little voiceover and show you guys what I got her. Okay, so this is the app that I was using, and here's everyone who's participating in the exchange. And then I'm going to show you what I got first. This is who I got, my sister Elise, and these are the items that she wanted. Yeah. So yeah, she got a couple of different items that she wanted on her wish list. And then I will show you guys what I wanted. So I asked for some hair products, some cooking items, some towels, just some miscellaneous stuff that I wanted, like random stuff, some snacks. And then just for the fun of it, I wanted like a book because I want to get back into book reading. Okay, and now for this recording, we are going to be looking at what I got for my boyfriend and my sister. So these are the items that I picked out. I got this knife set for my boyfriend because that's what he asked for on his Christmas wish list. And then I just took from it, and that's what I picked for him. And then I got some scrunchies for my sister, and I picked the number 5 color because she wanted that exact color. There are a few others you can pick from. That's the price. And then I got her some reusable cupcake liners that you could put in your muffin tins. That's the price for this one. And there are other colors and different type of like material, but she wanted the plastic silicone ones. And then she had a essential oils diffuser thing, so I got her the essential oil scents, and I got her these ones. There is another scent which is a different type. She wanted this exact one, and as you can see, there are 3 other scents, and they all cost the exact same. So they're all $24.99 before taxes, and I have Prime, so everything's cheaper and faster. So there's that item. And then the last item I got her were these cute little coffee cups and espresso glass cups. And these were $53.69 for a price. And you can hold coffee, tea, other liquids, and they're extremely cute. They're little animals. So yeah, that's everything I got, and it came out to $174 and whatever cents it was, but yep. So yeah, that is what my boyfriend and my sister wanted for their gifts. Also, I inserted what my wish list was if any of you guys were interested in any of those items. I will put a link to all the items that I'm getting my sister if any of you guys wanted them or were interested in also purchasing something similar. So I will put the link to those 4, I believe those 4 items in the description of my video to the Amazon links. But yeah, once the items get here, I will film another video and show you guys the items and me wrapping them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.